This tutorial will show you how to bookmark a website online with and using Safari for your phone completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so for this tutorial, how to bookmark your website on Safari for phone, open up Safari and then find a website that you basically want to bookmark. In this case, I'll click this one right here for Yahoo. As you can see, this is the trending tab. Say you want to bookmark the Yahoo trending tab. Well, basically, this is going to get really cool because we don't want to watch this right here, or maybe this, or even this, or maybe we do. It's really up to you. Click this icon right here in the middle hand screen, the share icon. And then scroll down and you have a list of different options, but you want to scroll up and you want to click this add to bookmark, or the third option or icon. And once you're happy or satisfied, click save on the top right hand screen. And then if you want to click the fourth icon or option, 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, book icon, you're on the first one, and then boom, scroll down, we got it, we got you. Yahoo Life has been saved and successfully bookmarked with Safari on your phone. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.